أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Again.
Next one after alif. Ha.
Ha.
That's ha. Bold ha. Bold pronunciation.
Ha.
Ha fatha.
Ha. Ha fataha. Ha kasra hi. Ha damma hu. Ha hi hu. Hu hi ha.
Nice. Next one.
Hen fataha.
Ain fatha. Ah. Ha no.
I said ah.
Ah. Yeah. Please.
Hen fataha. Hen kasra hi. Hen damma hu. Ha hi hu.
A I U. Okay.
Hu hi ha.
Okay. Next one.
Ha fataha. Ha kasra hi. Ha damma hu. Ha hi hu. Hu hi ha.
Nice. Okay. Ain and ha both read now. Before ain and this ha. Ha fatha. Ha kasra hi. Ha damma hu. It's light ha. After alif bold ha. And this ha is light pronouncing ha. Here it's ha. And upper side ha. Okay. And before
Okay.
ain.
Ain.
Please.
Ain. Hen. Hen. Fataha.
Ain fatha a.
Hen fata'a. Hen kasra i. Hen dama'u. Ha hi hu. Hu hi ha. Ha fataha. Ha kasra hi. Ha dama'hu. Ha hi hu. Ghen fata ghen. Qa. Ghen kasra qi. Ghen dama'qu. Qa qi qu. Qu qi ka. Qa. Kha fata kha. Kha kasra khi. Kha damma khu. Kha khi khu. Khu khi kha. Keep going.
Okay. It's now from the ain again. From the ain to kha. Ain ha gain kha. Yeah.
Ain fataha. Ain kasra hi. Ain damma hu. Ha hi hu. Hu hi ha. Ha fataha. Ha kasra hi. Ha damma hu. Ha hi hu. Hu hi ha. Qen fataqa. Qen kasra qi. Qen damma qu. قا قي قو قو قي قا
غين فتح غا غين كسرة غي غين دمة غو غا غي غو and غو غي غا.
خا خا
Kha and غين difference between
قين
kha and gain.
قين قا
Hmm.
قين قا
Hmm.
قين قي
Hmm.
قين قو قا قي قو
Good,
قو قي قا
good, mashallah.
خا فتح خا خا كسرة خي خي خا دم خو خا خي خو خو خي خا
Hmm. From the ain.
عين فتح ها
Ain fatha a. Ain alif and ain same reading. Alif and ain. Okay. Alif and ain both read now. Alif fatha a, alif kasra e, alif daba u, a e u e a. After that ain fatha a, ain kasra e, ain dama u, a e u e a. Your lesson only alif and ain. Just inshallah when you will expert in this pronouncing, after that inshallah easy.
but the alif and
Alif
the
and ain,
alif and ha
alif and ain sound practice required.
they sound the same. You're
Same
making it
sound.
sound the same.
Yeah, same sounds. A and e, u. Yeah. Some difference. What difference? We are understanding about difference now. Listen to me. Alif and ain. Alif first place of your mouth. First place. Ali. A. 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 And ain pronouncing place from your throat. Ah, ah,
Ha
ah,
ha
ah.
ha
Okay, it's
ha
little difference.
ha
Ha, no.
ha.
You are mixing every day ha sound in ain. It's
I
wrong.
don't say ha. You're mishearing me on the phone. I don't say ha.
Hmm.
I don't say
I
ha
will
on the
send you.
phone.
I will send you your recording. Recording in progress now. Okay. I will send you after today's class recording. You listen carefully. After that, tell me. Inshallah, I will solve my misunderstanding. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
One time read now. Ain.
عين فتح ها
Mm.
عين كسر حي عين دم حو ح حي حو حو
Ha.
حي ها
Ha. First ain. First letter ain fatha.
عين فتح ها
Mm-hmm.
ها
Ah.
ها
Ha. No. Ah.
ها
Say ah.
ها ها
Now you read ha.
ها
Now you read ah.
ها
Oh, now ah. Its sound is ah. You are mixing sometimes ha.
ها
Yeah.
ها
You are mixing sometimes ha. It's ah. E. U.
ها
Ain.
ها
A. E. U. U. E. A. U. E. A. A. E. U. Only. Ain. A. E. U. U. E. A. You are reading sometimes mixing ha. He. Hu. No. Okay, I will
Oh,
send you
okay.
inshallah. Recording you is to improve inshallah. No issue. Don't be sad. Okay, no issue. I am with you. Okay. A, E, U. Sometimes repeat, please.
A, E, U. 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 U, E, A. U, E, A. U, E, A. A, E, U. A, E, U. A, E, U. U, E, A. U, E, A. U, E, A. U, E, A.
Mashallah, mashallah. I appreciate you. Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. Okay. Now you can start from the alif again.
ألف فتح A. ألف كسرة إي. ألف كسرة أو. A, E, U. U, E, A.
Hmm. Now ha.
Ha. Ha
Ha after,
فتح Ha.
after alif, bold ha.
Oh, that one. Ha فتح Ha. Ha كسرة حي. Ha ضم حو. Ha حي هو.
Okay, mashallah, mashallah. I will send you total letters. Hamza, ha, ain, ha, gain, kha. That's
These
letter
are
6. Total letters in Tajweed. I will send you inshallah. After that, easily you will improve that your mistakes and some weakness. No issue. For every student's weaknesses, okay, no issue. Hamza, ha, ain, ha, gain, kha. Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, you can open now Quran translation lesson. Hmm.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم